two fellows by name Roshan and Binay, they were in the room. Earlier there was fight with them. That's what the other roommates have informed. So yesterday afternoon other 4-5 roommates had already gone out for Margaon. These two were present. So when the other roommates came in the evening at around 6:30, they found this Roshan Kashyap by name. He is a native of Jharkhand, 27 years old. He is in the pool of blood, lying in a bed, which a bed means it is a table made into a sort of bed on which there is a mat, and he was lying down over there in pool of blood, having head injury, crushing head injury on the left side with profuse bleed through nose, mouth, ears, and we are in the lookout of the accused, and accused should be shortly traced. We are suspecting one of their roommate and a laborer by name Binay. He has fled away from the room, and he was the one who was along with the deceased in the room when other roommates had left for Margaon.